In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to denoise your audio in Adobe Audition. We'll be removing unwanted background noise to make your recording sound clean and professional. To get started, I have some audio that includes noticeable background noise. If you're working with a section of your audio that has noise, you can highlight that specific part. But since I want to remove noise from the entire audio clip, I'll leave it deselected. Next, go up to the top menu and click on Effects. From there, hover over Noise Reduction Restoration and then select Denoise from the drop-down menu. Once the Denoise window opens, press the spacebar to play your audio back. You'll notice a slider that allows you to adjust the amount of noise reduction. As you move the slider to the right, it reduces more of the background noise, but you want to balance it so your voice still sounds natural. If you're dealing with something like fan noise or a low hum, you can focus on those lower frequencies by adjusting the Processing Focus in the Denoise panel. This way, it targets those specific low noises without affecting your voice too much. When you're happy with how your audio sounds, just click Apply, and your noise reduction will be applied to the clip. That's it for denoising in Adobe Audition.